Good morning, all the aquapreneurs or shrimp, fish, crab culture practitioners or farmers. This season, right from October, November, December, are known to be cold climate seasons. This cold climate environment, which is having on average 18 or even below degrees temperature, which is highly convenient, comfortable, suitable for the rapid propagation of the contagious disease causing organisms like virus, fungus, protozoa, bacteria, and many more. The low temperature, which is suitable for these micro disease causing organisms, makes them to improve their population so that they will be in a position to attack the host body cells, the body organisms, etc. Thus, during these winter seasons, immediately after rainy season, we are supposed to maintain low stocking density in your culture ponds, or you have to maintain not the harvestable sizes or above 600 grams of fishes, more than 10 grams of shrimps, 50 to 100 grams of crabs in your culture ponds, tanks, boxes, pipelines, wherever it is. The winter season is not at all suitable for applying heavy organic fertilizers like organic dung, cattle dung, poultry litter, or even fermented foods like de-oiled groundnut cake, de-oiled rice bran, de-oiled wheat bran to the pond waters, as these fertilizers will also enhance the population of disease causing organisms, which we in general call as pathogens, especially during the months of October, November, December till January 15th. We have been noticing since 40 years that the bacterial infections, the fungal infections, the viral infections, the protozoan infections, and even the parasite infections are heavy and causing heavy loss to the farmers. I, when a research scholar in agriculture university, along with my colleagues, seniors, we have identified the communicable diseases of fishes, shrimps, crabs. And my role was very in prominence because I used to go to the site or to the ponds where heavy losses are occurring due to infections. I used to collect the samples, bring it to the laboratory, go for analysis, confirm the disease, and try to suggest the suitable chemotherapy methods so that the disease intensity will reduce and the disease causing organisms will be minimized. When I was doing this kind of research, the loss that were occurring in fish, shrimp, crab culture ponds were almost 80 to 90%. And the farmer used to have or face loss in lakhs of rupees. We have minimized the disease intensities up to 5% only by suggesting prophylactic measures, control measures, so that the diseases are minimized and we could able to reduce the disease intensities. The bacterial infections in freshwater fish culture are due to the cause of Aeromonas species, Enterobacteria, Enterococci, and many more. Whereas in the case of shrimps, the Vibrio and the Pseudomonas are the causative bacterial organisms. Even it is the same bacteria and same organisms like Pseudomonas and Vibrio are causing lot of loss to the crabs in crab culture ponds or boxes or in pipelines. We have to go for prophylactic measures like applying lime, gypsum, iodine, if necessary, calcium hypochlorite, that is bleaching, and sometimes some suitable sanitizers, disinfectants to the pond waters or the tank waters or the waters that we are using for REA systems must be used so that the disease causing organisms will be reduced and the contamination will be minimized. Thus, the disease intensity will be reduced, indirectly helping the growth and survival of the cultivable species. It is to be kept in mind the crop calendar for shrimp culture or for crab culture begins right from the month of January, probably the second fortnight of the January till the rainy season, that is up to July. The environmental temperature shoots up from the month of January and reaches peak in the month of April, May. Thus, these months are considered to be highly suitable for culture practices of shrimps as well as crabs. These two organisms or aquatic animals are low in evolution or in the animal kingdom. They does not contain vertebral column as well as fully formed heart and the red blood in their body cavity. Thus, these are easily susceptible or succumbable for the diseases. Whereas in the case of fish culture, the right stocking period or the calendar starts from immediately after rainy season. Because when we go for stocking the fish seeds like fry, stock size, fingerling in the month of July, August. By the time they come to the October, November, December cold climatic months, the size may be in between 100 to 400 to 500 grams. Thus, even if there are any diseases that occur or take place, may not cause heavy loss to the fish culture ponds. So, the bacterial infections, the parasitic infections, the fungus like saprolegnia, which is commonly known as cotton wool disease, and then the external parasites like Argules, Lernia, Ergacillus, these occur heavily during the months of winter season. That that's why I suggest farmers to maintain or to follow the aquaculture calendar for culture practices. Good day.